Hello, dear students. I am Sanjay Pal, lecturer, Department of English, Government Rajendra College, Faridpur. How are you? I hope you are well. Today, I am going to teach you about a very difficult and confusing grammar point, may be called articles. Articles are confusing because there are many rules in English, but I will try my best. I hope you watch my video and try to realize the topic. Welcome to my online class. What is article? Basically, an article is an adjective. Like adjectives, articles modify nouns. In English, there are three articles: a, an, and the. Articles are used before nouns or noun equivalents and are a type of adjective. The definite article the is used before a noun to indicate that the identity of the noun is known to the reader. The definite article a and an is used before a noun that is general or when its identity is not known. There are certain situations in which a noun takes no articles. The is used to refer to a specific or particular nouns. A or an is used to modify non-specific or non-particular nouns. We call the definite article and a or an the indefinite article. That means the definite article and an or a indefinite article. For example, if I say let's read the book, means a specific book. If I say let's read a book, that means any book rather than a specific book. Here's another way to explain it. The is used to refer to a specific or particular member of a group. For example, I just saw the most popular movie of the year. That means there are many movies, but only one particular movie is the most popular. Therefore, we use the. A or and an is used to refer to a non-specific or non-particular member of the group. For example, I would like to go see a movie. Here we are not talking about a specific movie. We are talking about any movie. There are many movies and I want to see any movie. I don't have a specific on in mind. So we can say that the means the definite article and a or an means the indefinite article. Articles a versus an. The choice of article is based upon the phonetic sound quality of the first letter in a word, not on the orthographic or written representation of the letter. If the first letter makes a vowels type sound, you use an. If the first letter would make a consonant type of sound, you use a. However, even if you follow these basic rules when deciding to use a or an, remember that there are some exceptional rules in everywhere. A goes before words that begin with consonant, and an goes before words that begin with vowels. exceptions use an before a silent or unsound s because the s does not have any phonetic representation or audible sound. The sound that follows the article is a vowel. Consequently, an is used. An honorable, an honest. Here, s is silent. When you make the same sound as the y in u or o makes the same sound as w in one, then a is used. The word initial y sound is guild phonetically, which has constantly properties. Consequently, it is treated as a consonant requiring a union. Here, u phonetically as u. In this reason, we can use a, but a and an signal that the noun modified is indefinite, referring to any member of a group. For example, my daughter really wants a dog for Christmas. This refers to any dog. We don't know which dog because we haven't found the dog yet. Somebody call a policeman. This refers to any policeman. We don't need a specific policeman. We need any policeman who is available. When I was at the zoo, I saw an elephant. Here, we are talking about a single, non-specific thing. In this case, an elephant, there are probably several elephants at the zoo, but there's only one we are talking about here. Remembering using a or an depends on the sound that begins the next word. A plus singular noun beginning with a consonant, a boy, a car. An plus singular noun beginning with a vowel, an elephant, an egg. A plus singular noun beginning with a consonant sound, a university. An plus noun starting with silent s, an honor. A plus noun starting with pronounced s, a horse. In some cases where s is pronounced such as historical, you can use an. However, a is more commonly used and preferred. And a historical event is worthy recording. Here we can use a. Another case where this rule applies is where initially start with consonant but vowel sound such as an MBA or a BBA. If the noun is modified by an adjective, the choice between a and an depends on the initial sound of the adjective that immediately follows the articles. A broken egg, an unusual problem. Remember that in English, the indefinite article are used to indicate membership in a group. I am a teacher. I am a member of a large group known as teacher. He is an Irish. He is a member of the people known as Irish. Definite article the. The definite article is used before singular and plural nouns when the noun is specific or particular. The signals that the noun is definite, that it refers to particular member of a group. For example, the dog that bit me ran away. Here we are talking about a specific dog. The dog that bit me. I was happy to see the policeman who saved my cat. Here we are talking about a particular policeman. Even if we do not know the policeman's name, it's still a particular policeman because it is the one who saved the cat. I saw the elephant at the zoo. Here we are talking about a specific noun. Count and non-count nouns. The can be used with non-count nouns or article can be omitted entirely. I love to sail over the water. Some specific body of water, or I love to sail over water. That means any water. When we use the, that means this is specific, but when we don't use the, that means any water. An or a can be used only the count nouns. I need a bottle, I need a new glass. Most of the time you cannot say she wants a water unless you are implying, say, a bottle of water. A bottle of water. Geographical use of the. There are some specific rules for using the with geographical noun. Don't use the before the names of the most countries or territories, but you can use the name of those countries: Netherlands, Philippines, UK, USA. You don't use the before the name of the cities like Dhaka, Seoul. Name of the street, you don't use the. Name of the lakes, you don't use the, but you can use the where the group of lakes. You don't use the name of mountains, but you can use the where the range of mountains. You don't use the name of continents. You don't use the names of island, but you can use the island of saints. Don't use the before, you can use the before the name of rivers, ocean, sea, point of the globe, geographical areas, desert, forest, gulfs, etc. Thank you.